Let's make some spicy, delicious pasta. First, boil some pasta in some salted water. Brown up your choice of mince. Next, heat up a pan and add some oil and cook onions, peppers, ginger paste, garlic paste with a little bit of salt. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the minced meat. Cover with the lid and cook until everything has cooked through well. Next, add the dry spices. So I've added curry powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chilli powder and garam masala. Cook that until the oil separates. Next, add some tomato puree and a little bit of water so the gravy doesn't dry up. To make this more spicy, I've added some chili pickle. Next, add tomatoes and a little bit of sugar to balance the flavors. Then cook everything through and then add some fenugreek dried leaves for more flavor. And then add your pasta, give it a good mix and garnish with some fresh coriander. I hope you enjoy this. Take care.